Hi, I'm Craig McLeod and welcome to Drift My Ride. Today we've got Neil's E36 BMW that has all the lock and unfortunately too much noise. Sir, thank you for coming along. How are you?
Fine, fine.
So, you brought in a BMW.
Yeah. Yep.
What kind now? 36, 46?
36.
36, that's pink.
It's
really stands out from the crowd, this boy.
Yeah, it does, yeah.
It is quite a standard car, this. It's not like there's, as far as like the powertrain and things like that, you've not done anything crazy at that. So,
nothing's changed there.
But you have put like the most lock I have ever seen. This thing's pretty much like a trolley. The lock on this thing is unbelievable. So let's start with that. What is you got the setup in there?
It's a CLM steering kit. It's on which is basically the Polish kind of kind of a bit of a copy of Wisefab, but the basically attracted to me was the package of it, because you can buy a single part, a hub, a arm.
Oh right, so if you break something, yeah.
Which was attracting to my pocket to start off drifting with.
So what do you get with that package then? Was it?
You get arms, you get all the top mounts, you get the track rod ends, inner arms, and the hubs, everything, and it runs E36 ball joints.
Okay.
So I can just go to.
No, you go to like.
I can buy a set. Yeah. I've got a spare set of kit for like £150 if I break it in.
Wow, imagine. Just go and
BMW parts, yeah, parts.
Brilliant. Yeah. What's the setup that you run? Do you have like a particular kind of camber? Or does it?
Well, on this, it's set up. I think I'm running 5 degrees negative camber. It was more, but I took a bit off because it was. I couldn't push the car forward with such a underpowered engine. But so it's running 5 degrees negative camber. Then I think it's zero toe. It's running straight on. Yeah. The back's zero as much as it can, but you can alter your lock.
Okay.
There is a egg cup on them. I think I'm only running about 65 degrees of lock.
65? Just 65, yeah.
Yeah, it can go to over 70.
It can go to over 70.
But if I do it, I had to turn it off because my wheels, with the wheels I've on, the ET13s, they touch the arms. So
right, so you'd need to run a wide, a lower offset.
A lower offset or a slightly narrower tyre because it's 8.5.
Okay.
On the front of maybe around a 7.5, but I need to try to get that with the offset. It's quite difficult.
Yeah.
Then you need a spacer because of the arm.
Yeah,
you'll see the difference. It's good.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to seeing how much lock we can put onto this thing. Yeah. What kind of engine have you got?
Just a 328.
328. Now you've got a Remapped ECU.
When I first got the car, it didn't have it, so I thought I'm needing a wee bit extra at the top end. So basically I gave it to my Gemmell. MG
Autotec.
Yeah, MG Autotec, and he did his work. Which was it made the car, the top ends what it needed.
Yeah. Now, what kind of wheel sizes do you run on the rear?
The 17's always in the front. On the back varies. Like if I'm doing big track, if I'm doing the big corner, I prefer 16s. But if I'm doing like shift lock or second field, 17s, I prefer them. Just I've played a bit with, so.
Not just because you get more grip, is it, on the 17s?
Yeah, but better for like your shift locks. Just that wee bit better because I think the 16s just don't work very good with shift
easier
locks.
To spin up, but
not as good.
Otherwise, though, you know it's pretty standard, but it's good. Like you've tied things down and stuff like that. Like we've got window switches actually in a mount, not just attached to the door somewhere or floating about. And like all the little things as well, like having a decent gear stick as well. It's just like
I did change because that was the same height as.
Yeah, right. Did you? You found that you're grabbing the wrong thing at the same.
Too much the same height.
Yeah.
So that's why I put that in. Just the defined difference. Yeah. You don't need to look. You can see it. That was
really
what
good
I did.
idea.
Yeah.
And then really cage in here, just keep it safe.
That's only just it's welded in. It's nothing too fancy, but I wanted a bit more security safe.
Yeah.
Getting a wee bit faster. I thought need something just to just in case something does go wrong, you've got that behind you.
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. When you get older, you kind of realise it hurts a bit more.
Things don't heal the same. I'm not as young as I used to be.
Outside, do we have any kind of body panels changed now? Are you running any
because I've got such long arms with the CLM, I put 120mm diff cup fenders in the front.
Yeah.
Then I tidied the back up and they're 30mm roller fenders in the back. But it's just to kind of the car's not new, so it was just to kind of make it finish off a bit better. So it was.
Because it is massively wider. Do you actually know how much wider the front of the car is compared to the back?
No, but that's what I mean. You're reminding me today because I need to do it. Because I'm looking for to buy a new trailer because I can't get it on. I can't get this on one trailer. I've got to put space savers on.
What kind of diff do you run in?
It's just a 338 just now. I have had a 444 in it.
Why did you change? So
I did like the 444, but I broke it.
Oh, you broke it. So you just had to.
So I had to go back to the 338, but I do. It's good.
It's got the legs for it.
Yeah. But I've got another 444, which I'm.
So you prefer the 444 over it?
Yeah. It's that wee bit better around. The 338 is good all around Driftland, but the 444 it does change it a wee bit.
Yeah, you can spin it up basically.
You're using the extra kind of gears, which does kill the revs a wee bit, so the engine's just not having to work just as hard, but it's still okay.
Cool. And you've even kept your stereo.
Yeah, it does work, but not when we do go, you'll know why it doesn't really. But I put it on. It's quite noisy here because there's no really a boot in the back of the car.
And nice steering wheel here, just eBay job, or is it something special?
I can't remember what make it was, but basically I bought that because it's got the quick release on it.
Oh, built-in quick release.
Yeah, because it makes it easier.
Oh yeah.
To get in and out. I'm not exactly the slimmest chaps.
That issue.
Yeah.
Now I can't get it back on.
It'll go back on. You just sort of slot it in. We'll go back on.
We'll put that on later. And a seat. This is a good seat as well. It's a real, actually, not the biggest chap in the world, but it really hugs you, actually. It really it's got
that was. I didn't go to specifically buy that, but I seen it for quite a cheap price, and I thought, I'm needing a better seat. I wanted a wrap round.
Yeah.
Just to help. I know it sometimes obstructs your vision, but when you're on drift,
it doesn't.
It doesn't bother. That doesn't bother me. It's great.
I've got one of these in my car. I have to say, I've hit the wall, and this was like it caught my head, and it was I would have been hitting. My head would have been against the window if it wasn't have been. And so there are really good things to have. And then massive hydro.
Yeah.
Driftland branded hydro.
Yeah.
People, you can buy these from Driftland. You're not going to miss that.
No.
Super easy. Grab it. There you go.
Yes.
Well, I don't think there's anything left to do but go out and play with all the lock.
Oh, yes.
See if there's enough turns in the steering wheel to be able to use it all. Right, off we go. Woo! Don't need that.
No.
Right, pick a gear. It is loud. Yes. It's very loud.
Yes.
And we'll shut the doors. Right. I have no idea. Woo! She's cool. It's just so much love. Yeah. It just doesn't matter matter what you do, it's not notchy at all. It's like loads of really good luck. If you come out of the top end, you really need to like clutch kick it to get back up there. Really high. As soon as she gets down past like 4, maybe 4.5, she kind of dies a wee bit, but the lock on this is amazing. Just really, really nicely set up.
I think today when you had the 444 in it, you wouldn't have the issue.
Yeah, I think the 444 would be nicer.
That's the difference with the Aston found I had the 444. You didn't have that bit in it.
Yeah.
But you were having to be clutch kick the 444. You just power up, go. Let's go. If it was just a bit quieter, this would be quite a nice thing, but it is just, it's so easy to drive, really easy, having all that lock and just, right, turn this thing off, right, quiet, oh my ears, thank you.
Hello, that looks like testament to a well-built car, gives you a good performance.
Just like, when everything works, you know, there was no surprise. I missed some shifts, that was the main thing. It's quite a long gear stick and I then just went, right, let's just leave it in second. And she was amazing, really well set up, and just everything, you never get to a point where you feel that something's going to stop working. Like the steering, there was so much steering that, and you get like lumpy bits in the steering, or it'll lock up at some point. But we were on mass as a lock, and it was perfect.
Neil, I think he likes your car.
I think he does.
I said, just before you put this camera in here, I was like, so how much is that kit?
Kit looked really natural. I saw you going for a couple of sort of backy type of temps as well.
We were
you
trying
confident.
Yeah, no, it was like, what, few laps and already you can just feel like you can throw a backy in it. And I don't even know if I got to the end of lock. I don't think there was still more in it.
It was more.
Yeah.
There was still a wee bit more, not much, but yeah, a bit more lock, yeah.
It was, brilliantly set up car.
Yeah, well done, excellent. Spent the money in the right place. You've got a great package, Neil.
Yeah.
Thank you for bringing it on Drift My Ride.
Well, thank you.
And enjoy your track time now.
I will do. Thank you.
You don't need to start throwing masses and masses of cash at engine conversions and Jap cars that can mean that you have a big hole in your pocket and can't afford to go drifting. I just did that.